in all serious, we're gonna give this person the VIP package for spending so much on Sriracha. I'm gonna show you guys how I package Sriracha today. Let's go. So we're gonna give them the VIP treatment. I got this 8x6x4 box, and then I'm gonna also put it in a poly bag just in case if it leaks, which I would really hate it, but just in case, at least it stayed in the bag. Maybe they'll still use it. I don't know. Maybe we'll get a return. We'll see. I try to package everything up, you know. The bubble wrap. Last weekend was my first time running out of bubble wrap since I first started this, since I don't do too many hard goods. So that was kind of cool. So I needed some quick ones, so I got some at the dollar store until I waited for my actual bubble wrap that came in. Good tip, you can find bubble wrap at the dollar store if you're in a pinch. I'm gonna wrap this up with some bubble wrap. Put a little double wrap there, since there was a small hole in that bubble wrap. Up, right? I like this tape dispenser more than those other tape gun ones. I just find it easier to use than those. I'm gonna start putting up my reseller tools, the little things I use, and a link for that. So watch out for that in my links soon. So I'm gonna wrap this guy up. All right, now we got this all nice and snug. I feel like there's pretty good packaging in here. Maybe give it one more because it looks like it's like the elixir of life right now. All right, now we got it ready. I'm gonna prepare this box here. I'm like the over tape queens. Watch me like tape this a million times. Actually, this might not be that many, but I do usually. See, here I go. And then we fit it in. All right, there we go. It's all nice. And I'm gonna fill this in right here with packing paper, but nice, little, easy, perfect. It doesn't even move with just like this, but I'm gonna pack it in, but nice, easy flip, guys. If you still got some unopened Sriracha in your cupboard, go list it.